Thank you for choosing Nova Biomedical as your bedside blood glucose provider. My name is Faye. Welcome to the Nova Biomedical Stat Strip Operator Training Program. This is Nova Biomedical's Stat Strip Hospital Glucose Meter. The Stat Strip Glucose Hospital Meter System is intended for point-of-care, in vitro diagnostic, multiple patient use for the quantitative determination of glucose in capillary fingerstick, venous whole blood, arterial whole blood, neonate arterial whole blood, and neonate heel stick specimens throughout all hospital and all professional healthcare settings, including patients receiving intensive medical intervention or therapy. Stat Strip is CLIA waived for all hospital and all professional healthcare settings. Stat Strip is not intended for use with neonate cord blood specimens. It is not intended for the screening or diagnosis of diabetes mellitus, but is indicated for use in determining dysglycemia. Caution should be exercised when testing capillary whole blood due to potential pre-analytical variability in capillary specimen collection. A capillary whole blood specimen relies upon an adequate, non-compromised capillary blood flow. The healthcare provider must be aware that a capillary whole blood specimen glucose result may not always be the same as an arterial or venous whole blood glucose result, especially when the patient's condition is rapidly changing. If a capillary whole blood glucose result is not consistent with a patient's clinical signs and symptoms, glucose testing should be repeated with either an arterial or venous specimen on the Stat Strip Glucose Hospital Meter System. In this presentation, you will learn its features and operating procedures, including how to log on and off, how to analyze quality control samples and conduct patient testing. You will also learn how to clean the meter, review results, and replace the battery. To receive a certificate of completion for this training, you must view the entire presentation and achieve a minimum score of 80% on the examination questions contained within this program. When you answer a question, select your answer and click on the Submit button. After correctly answering the question, click on the Continue button to move on to the next section. If your answer is incorrect, you may try again until you answer the question correctly. You may go back to the beginning of each section and review as necessary. You may also pause or play the presentation at any time by using the Pause Play button. This presentation will take approximately 30 minutes to complete. If you need to stop the presentation partway through the program, you can pick up where you left off when you return. Let's begin with an overview of the meter and docking stations.